cricket crash.
What happened?
First cricket season away from home.
That's tough.
Every day I see huge crowds high-fiving every dunk, every home run. But the one time I see the fans I want to see, I get stomped.
I understand. Let's file a claim so you can get back to watching the game.
The game.
The civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties or areas. Jefferson, Kentucky, at 5:02 a.m. on July 16, 2021, effective until 7:02 a.m. Message from IPOSCAP. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office is looking for escaped inmate. Lock all of your doors immediately. The inmate is 5'7" and he is wearing a black shirt with gray pants. If you spot him, or have any information, please dial 911 immediately.